जस्ट बाय कॉलेज जा रहे हो और बाइक लेने का प्लान है, वो भी अंडर ₹3 लाख, और तुम लोग कंफ्यूज हो कि कौन सी बाइक ले, क्योंकि तुम लोग को चाहिए किलर लुक्स, पावर एंड माइलेज भी हो। तो आज की वीडियो में बताने वाला हूँ बेस्ट बाइक्स अंडर ₹3 लाख, रियल ऑप्शन, बिना किसी बकवास के। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। कॉलेज स्टूडेंट को आखिर चाहिए किसी रहती है बाइक, जिस बाइक में बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस हो, डिसेंट माइलेज हो, पावरफुल हो और मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट थोड़ा कम हो। सो आज जो मैंने बाइक सेलेक्ट की है वही सब चीज सबको फुलफिल करती है, और मैंने हर कैटेगरी में मैंने बाइक सजेस्ट की है। तो अपने बजट के हिसाब से जितना आपको स्पेंड करना लगता है, जितना पावर ऑफ इनफ लगता है, आपने उतना स्पेंड करना। मैं पहले ही बोलूंगा, सबके एक बार डिटेल्ड रिव्यूज देख लेना, उसके बाद ही कोई बाइक सेलेक्ट करना। So let's start with our first category, which is adventure bikes. So adventure सीरीज में हमारे पास तो ज्यादा बाइक्स है नहीं, हमारे पास खाली है KTM Adventure 250। इसमें लगा हुआ है 248cc सिंगल सिलेंडर इंजन। ये प्रोड्यूस करता है 30 bhp ऑफ पावर, 25 Nm ऑफ टॉर्क। फ्रंट सस्पेंशन इसका USD है, रेयर सस्पेंशन इसका मोनोशॉक है, और ये माइलेज देता है अराउंड 30 to 35 kmpl if you are riding it in balanced or a good way. This is the very best bike of the KTM in this adventure, in this price point for the adventure. If you go below that, there is much option, but in this price point, this is the best bike which have killer looks. It has decent mileage performed by, bro, this is KTM. You cannot compare this bike on the terms of performance. This bike is very performance loaded. You can take it to anywhere, like in hills, rainy seasons, muddy area. This bike will go around. This bike will not stuck in anywhere. This bike is very rough and tough and all. So if you want an adventure bike under this price point, which is of 2.5 lakh to 3 lakh, please consider this option. So हमारा next category आता है, which is of scramblers, or you can say that bikes which can you take it on hills, mountains, or at the road only. This bike can go anywhere. It has rugged looks and modern features. So let's talk about the contenders on this category. So let's start with our first contender. So हमारा पहला contender है Triumph Scrambler 400X। इसमें लगा हुआ है 349cc सिंगल सिलेंडर इंजन which produces 37 horsepower and 32 Nm of torque। इसमें फ्रंट में लगा है USD, रेयर में लगा है मोनोशॉक। Triumph की ये वाली बाइक बहुत ज्यादा ही फीचर, सब एसेंशियल फीचर इसमें आता है, लाइक ABS, डुअल चैनल ABS, ट्रैक्शन कंट्रोल, डुअल चैनल ABS स्टैंडर्ड है, सब बाइक में डुअल चैनल ABS स्टैंडर्ड है, सब में आता है। मेन एडिशनल फीचर ऑलमोस्ट सब बाइक में सेम है। तो इफ यू वांट अ बाइक दैट हैज rugged looks and sometimes you take it to highway to the mountains also, you can consider the Scrambler 400X as your option. So हमारा नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन है RE फैंस, जिन लोगों को भाई चाहिए रहता है रॉयल एनफील्ड का, तो हम लोग का रॉयल एनफील्ड से हमारा कंटेंडर है रॉयल एनफील्ड स्क्रैम 440। तो इसमें लगा हुआ है 443cc का सिंगल सिलेंडर इंजन which produces 27 horsepower, 32 Nm of torque। हाँ, ये इसमें फ्रंट में लगा है टेलीस्कोपिक सस्पेंशन, रेयर में है मोनोशॉक। इट हैज मैक्सिमम इंजन कैपेसिटी देन Triumph, but it produces less horsepower than the Triumph. If you want RE bike, then only you go to the Scram 440. But if you want a true scrambler bike in this price point, please I suggested go for Scrambler 400X. That will be the best option. So हमारा next option है touring। इसमें तो सबको पता है कौन सी बाइक आने वाली है, which is the Dominar 400। I am talking about the latest one, the old one, which has 373cc engine and which produces 39 horsepower and 35 Nm of torque. Bro, you can't compare Dominar to any touring bike because Dominar has its own legacy and own feature, own heart base, own fan base for the children, for the youngsters. If you want touring bike, please consider Dominar as your option, and it has now been upgraded with the such features like USD and all. You can check it out. This is a very best bike for the touring. हम वीडियो के उस सेक्शन में आ गए हैं जिसमें सब लोग को बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्टेड रहता है, वो पार्ट में जो लोग बहुत ज्यादा ही हमारे यंगस्टर में बहुत ज्यादा वाली बाइक और मेनली कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स वाली बाइक बहुत ज्यादा ही खरीदते हैं, which is स्पोर्ट्स बाइक और फुल्ली फेड बाइक। In this we have two contenders. First is Apache RR 310। इसमें लगा हुआ है 312cc single cylinder engine which produces 38 horsepower and 29 Nm of torque. Bro, this bike is very feature loaded according to this price range because it has cruise control, it has launch control, it has different riding modes. If you are considering a well equipped sports bike in this price point, please go for the RR 310. But there is a downside in the service center experience because many users have reported they do not get service on time. So if you can bear this problem but you want a best bike in this price range, please go with the Apache RR 310. So we have second option for the KTM fans. Yes bro, KTM has fair bike under this price range, which is RC 200, which has 199cc single cylinder engine which produces 25 horsepower, 19 Nm of torque। जी हाँ, ये पावर फिगर्स में तो बहुत ज्यादा ही कम है RR 310 से, बट इट हैज अ गैप ऑफ प्राइसिंग। इट कम्स बिटवीन द 2.56 lakh around, and RR 310 goes around 2,96,000, but it does not have that feature that Apache hold. So if you want a KTM bike only, so please go for this option. This is also very good option, and you cannot mess with the KTM for their service and all. Just buy KTM. If you want want KTM, you will buy KTM. तो हमारी next and unique category आ जाती है. इस category में generally bike कोई लेता नहीं है, but this is a very unique category. If you like it, you will love it. So our next category is Cafe Racer. So we have two candidates in this price range in this category. First is little bit expensive, but it has a brand value. Second is less expensive, but it does not have that much of brand value. So we are talking about our first bike, which is Husqvarna Vitpillion 250, which has 49cc single cylinder engine, which produces 30 bhp of power, 20 Nm of torque. It gives mileage around 30 to 35 kmpl. I like the bike. If you like it, you will love it. If you see, you will love this bike. But it has it is mainly for a single seater like bike. You can take the pillion with it. It has a pillion seat, but that is not a very comfortable. It is mainly for a single person only. So if you want a Cafe Racer bike to exceed a budget of 3 lakh, so please my suggestion is go for Husqvarna Vitpillion 250. This is also a best option. Please check it out. So हमारा next option है Triumph Thruxton 400. So there is a point some interesting because the Triumph Thruxton 400 has a 349cc which produces 40 horsepower and 35 Nm of torque. I am talking about the latest updated Triumph model Thruxton, not the old one. That old one costed more than 3,10,000. But now the price have degraded by the Triumph, which comes around 3,01,000 on road on Raipur. So it exceeded your budget. But if you want a true Cafe Racer in this budget and you want a clear looks that no one has, please go for Thruxton 400. It gives mileage around 30 to 32 kmpl across. It has USD. It has rear monoshock. It is literally a best bike I have ever seen or ever built in this price range. It is very unique, very beautiful, and you will love this bike if you ride it. Please, if you want true Cafe Racer, go for Triumph Thruxton 400 in this price point. So our next category is street fighter bikes, which we have two bikes. First is Duke 250, everyone's favorite Duke 250 KTM. So Duke 250 has 249cc single cylinder engine which produces 30 horsepower, 25 Nm of torque. Bro, KTM has entered in this game. It has the best power in this class. Not in this class, but it has a decent power. Bro, you can't compare KTM with anyone. But if you love KTM, you will only buy KTM. You will not think of other bikes. So KTM has the best power, features and all. Two riding modes. It has the best power, but there is more in this option. There is more in this. So our next candidate for this price point in this category is TVS Apache RTR 310, which has 312cc single cylinder engine, which produces 35 horsepower, 28 Nm of torque. Yes, the power figures price is much than the KTM Duke 250, but it has more features than KTM Duke 250 because it has a quick shifter. If you go with the dynamic kit, it has also climate control, keyless entry, and it has 5 racing mode like street, urban, moto, supermoto, and all. If you want tech loaded, feature loaded bike, go for RTR 310. This is the best bike you can buy in this category under this budget. So please go for RTR 310 if you want tech loaded features. So हमारी next category है Neo Retro bikes. In this category we have mainly 4 options. First is Royal Enfield Guerrilla 450, which has 452cc engine which produces 40 horsepower, 40 Nm of torque. So torque and power figures are same, but this bike gives mileage around 30 kmpl. If you ride it roughly, the mileage drops to 25 kmpl. If you like the power figures and you can handle this power figures, so please go for Royal Enfield Guerrilla 450 because it has killer looks in this segment, best power in this segment, and there is a service center and reliability. You cannot compare Royal Enfield with the reliability because they produce the best bikes, gives best service and all. So if you want RE, you will buy RE. There's no other competition for this price segment for the Royal Enfield Guerrilla 450 for his power and performance. So if you want something bike which is less powerful than RE, go for Triumph Speed 400. It has 349cc engine which produces 37 horsepower, 32 Nm of torque. This bike is also a best bike which is produced by Triumph. You cannot compare Triumph with anyone. It has its own legacy, own brand value, and Speed 400 we know. We know Speed 400 has ruled the world, has ruled in this category for a long time. So if you want Triumph, I will suggest go for Speed 400 and check it out. If you don't want that gorilla power and all, if you want something bit more classy and more sporty, go for Triumph Speed 400. This is the best bike you can purchase. This category are with these two are same bikes but from the different brand. We are talking about Harley Davidson X440 and Hero Maverick 440. So in these bikes we have 440cc engine which produces 27 horsepower and 25 Nm of torque. Both bikes are same. Both are manufactured in India. The Harley Davidson is bit more expensive. Like the Harley Davidson costs you around 2,80,000 on road in Raipur, but a Hero Maverick 440 costs you 2,56,000. If you want brand value, go for Harley Davidson. If you want best reliability and low price, so go for Hero Maverick 440. So these are the all four bikes in this category. So let's talk to our next category, which is single seater bikes. So in this category we have only two options. First is Royal Enfield Goan Classics 350. So in Goan Classic there is 349cc engine which produces 20 and 27 Nm of torque. It gives mileage around 30 kmpl. Yes, the Goan Classic is only a classic bike, but it has more color options than classic. So if you want RE bike, go for Goan Classic. It comes with single seater only. If you want, you can add a seat. Factory it comes in single seat only. So next option we have Jawa Perak. You know about the Jawa 42 Bobber. Jawa Perak is the OG bobber in this for the first time. So in Jawa Perak we have 334cc engine which produces 30 horsepower, 32 Nm of torque. So if you want a best single seater bike and OG bike in this category, go for Jawa Perak. This was the first bike who have introduced the single seating in the India. If you want bobber like bike, if you want more power than RE, go for Jawa Perak. It costed you around 2,55,000 on road Raipur. So this is the category where we talk about the latest launch. In this segment we have the latest launch which is Triumph Tracker 400. This is a purely different category because it has 350cc engine which produces 39 horsepower and 35 Nm of torque. It has purely a different category. Like this bike is mainly for running. There is mainly for like sand racing and all. This bike has a totally different category. If you want something unique looking bike, go for Triumph Tracker 400. It cost you around 2,80,000 on road on Raipur. अगर तुम लोग यहाँ लगा चुके हो तो इसका मतलब ये है कि तुम लोग को जरूरी ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है. प्लीज इस वीडियो को लाइक करना, शेयर करना एंड सब्सक्राइब भी कर लेना इस चैनल को. और नया ऑप्शन है हाइप करने का. प्लीज हाइप कर देना. मेरे कंटेंट बनाने में मोटिवेशन मिलेगी. प्लस मेरा ये वीडियो को और लोग को भी सजेस्ट किया जाएगा हाइप करने से. तो अगर तुम लोग को मैं पसंद हूँ, मेरा चैनल पसंद आया तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करना. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. टिल देन आई एम अंश एंड आई एम साइनिंग ऑफ.
ਸਾਡੇ ਲੈਵਲ ਰਹੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਹਾਰਦੀ ਏ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਨਾ ਕੰਪੇਅਰ ਕਰੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਲੈਵਲ ਰਹੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਹਾਰਦੀ ਏ